Billionaire marketing strategies. Welcome to Be a Baby Billionaire. Step into the world of marketing mastery with Billionaire marketing strategies. Here, we will explore the cutting-edge techniques and tactics utilized by today's top brands to captivate audiences, drive engagement, and achieve unparalleled success in the digital age. From understanding your audience to fostering long-term relationships, each point delves into key segments of marketing excellence, providing actionable insights and inspiration for aspiring entrepreneurs and seasoned professionals alike. Join us on this journey as we uncover the secrets behind effective storytelling, experiential marketing, ethical practices, and more. Subscribe now to stay ahead of the curve and elevate your marketing game to the next level. Marketing Strategy 1. Understanding your audience. In today's hyper-competitive market, understanding your audience is paramount to crafting effective marketing strategies. Through thorough research and analysis, you can gain valuable insights into the demographics, behaviors, and preferences of your target customers. By segmenting your audience based on factors such as age, gender, location, and interests, you can tailor your messaging to resonate with specific groups more effectively. Moreover, delving deeper into their pain points and challenges enables you to position your product or service as a solution that addresses their needs directly. Whether it's conducting surveys, analyzing social media data, or leveraging market research reports, the more you know about your audience, the better equipped you are to connect with them on a meaningful level. Ultimately, by understanding your audience, you can create marketing campaigns that speak directly to their desires, aspirations, and concerns. Marketing Strategy 2. Unique Selling Proposition, USP. In a crowded marketplace, having a compelling unique selling proposition, USP, is essential for standing out from the competition. Your USP is what sets your product or service apart and communicates its value proposition to potential customers. It encapsulates the unique benefits and features that differentiate your offering from others in the market, compelling consumers to choose your brand over alternatives. Developing a strong USP requires a deep understanding of both your product and your target audience. By identifying the specific pain points or desires of your customers and highlighting how your offering addresses them better than anyone else, you can create a compelling reason for them to choose your brand. Whether it's superior quality, unmatched convenience, or innovative features, your USP should be clear, concise, and easy to understand. Moreover, consistently communicating your USP across all marketing channels helps to reinforce your brand's identity and build brand loyalty over time. Ultimately, a strong USP not only attracts customers but also forms the foundation for long-term success and differentiation in the marketplace. Marketing Strategy 3. Leveraging social proof. In today's interconnected world, social proof has become a powerful tool in marketing strategies. People are more likely to trust recommendations from friends, family, or even strangers online than traditional advertising. Social proof can take many forms, from star ratings and customer testimonials on your website to influencer partnerships and brand mentions on social media platforms. The key is to make this social validation readily accessible and prominent across your marketing channels, effectively demonstrating that others have had positive experiences with your brand. Additionally, actively engaging with your audience and encouraging them to share their experiences further amplifies social proof and fosters a sense of community around your brand. Ultimately, by leveraging social proof effectively, you can significantly influence consumer perceptions and drive conversions with authenticity and credibility. Marketing Strategy 4. Creating compelling content. In the digital age, content has emerged as a cornerstone of effective marketing strategies. Compelling content not only attracts and engages your target audience, but also positions your brand as a trusted authority in your industry. Whether it's blog posts, videos, infographics, podcasts, or social media posts, creating valuable and relevant content is essential for capturing and retaining audience attention. The key to creating compelling content lies in understanding your audience's interests, pain points, and preferences. Moreover, focusing on quality over quantity ensures that your content resonates with your audience and delivers real value. Additionally, optimizing your content for search engines and social media platforms helps to increase visibility and reach, driving organic traffic to your website and social media channels. By consistently delivering high-quality content that informs, entertains, or inspires your audience, you can build brand awareness, foster loyalty, and drive conversions over time. Marketing Strategy 5: Omni-channel marketing approach. In today's interconnected world, consumers interact with brands across multiple touchpoints and channels. An omni-channel marketing approach seeks to provide a seamless and integrated experience across all of these channels. By adopting an omni-channel strategy, brands can meet customers where they are, delivering personalized and relevant content at every stage of the customer journey. Whether it's through social media, email marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click, PPC advertising, or brick-and-mortar stores, each channel plays a distinct role in engaging with customers and driving conversions. Marketing Strategy 6: Data-driven decision-making. In the age of big data, leveraging data to inform marketing decisions has become essential for driving success. This includes everything from tracking website traffic and engagement metrics to monitoring social media interactions and analyzing customer feedback. With the help of advanced analytics tools and technologies, brands can identify patterns and trends in data, uncovering valuable insights that inform marketing strategies and tactics. Additionally, data-driven decision-making enables brands to personalize marketing messages and experiences for individual customers, increasing relevance and effectiveness. By continuously measuring and refining marketing efforts based on data insights, brands can stay ahead of the curve, adapting to changing market dynamics and consumer preferences with agility and precision. Ultimately, data-driven decision-making empowers brands to optimize marketing performance, drive customer engagement, and achieve sustainable growth in today's competitive landscape. Marketing Strategy 7: Agile marketing. In today's fast-paced and ever-changing marketplace, agility is key to staying ahead of the curve and effectively reaching consumers. Agile marketing is a methodology that emphasizes flexibility, collaboration, and responsiveness to rapidly evolving market conditions and consumer trends. Unlike traditional marketing approaches that follow rigid plans and timelines, agile marketing encourages experimentation, iteration, and adaptation based on real-time feedback and insights. Moreover, agile marketing fosters a culture of collaboration and cross-functional teamwork, enabling marketing teams to work closely with other departments such as product development, sales, and customer service to deliver cohesive and integrated experiences. Ultimately, agile marketing empowers brands to be more nimble, adaptive, and customer-centric, driving innovation and growth in an increasingly competitive environment. Marketing Strategy 8: Building strategic partnerships. In today's interconnected world, strategic partnerships have emerged as a powerful way for brands to extend their reach, access new audiences, and drive growth. Strategic partnerships involve collaborating with complementary brands, organizations, or influencers to leverage each other's strengths and resources for mutual benefit. Whether it's through co-marketing initiatives, joint product offerings, or cross-promotional campaigns, partnerships enable brands to amplify their message and tap into new markets more effectively. By aligning with brands that share similar values, target demographics, or market segments, brands can enhance their credibility and relevance while reaching a wider audience. By fostering long-term relationships built on trust, mutual respect, and shared goals, brands can create win-win scenarios that drive sustainable growth and create lasting value for both parties involved. Ultimately, building strategic partnerships allows brands to leverage collective strengths, accelerate growth, and unlock new opportunities in today's interconnected marketplace. Marketing Strategy 9: Experiential marketing. In the era of experience-driven consumerism, brands are increasingly turning to experiential marketing to create memorable interactions that resonate with their audience on a deeper level. Experiential marketing focuses on engaging consumers through immersive, hands-on experiences that go beyond traditional advertising tactics. By inviting consumers to participate actively in the brand's story, values, and offerings, experiential marketing fosters emotional connections and brand loyalty. Moreover, these experiences provide opportunities for consumers to interact directly with products, services, and brand ambassadors, fostering deeper engagement and driving conversions. Marketing Strategy 10. Community engagement. Building a community around your brand is essential for fostering loyalty, advocacy, and long-term success. Community engagement involves creating opportunities for consumers to connect, interact, and collaborate with each other and with the brand. By actively engaging with community members, brands can listen to their feedback, address their concerns, and incorporate their input into product development and marketing strategies. Moreover, community engagement enables brands to tap into the collective wisdom and creativity of their audience, fostering co-creation and collaboration. Additionally, by nurturing a supportive and inclusive community, brands can empower advocates and ambassadors who champion the brand's values and spread positive word of mouth. Ultimately, community engagement allows brands to build stronger relationships with their audience. Marketing Strategy 11. Storytelling. Storytelling is a powerful tool that allows brands to connect with their audience on an emotional level, inspiring engagement, loyalty, and action. By weaving narratives that resonate with the values, aspirations, and experiences of their audience, brands can create authentic and memorable connections that transcend transactional relationships. Effective storytelling involves crafting narratives that evoke emotion, spark curiosity, and convey the brand's personality, purpose, and vision. Whether it's through compelling brand origin stories, customer testimonials, or user-generated content, brands can leverage storytelling to humanize their brand, making it more relatable and compelling to their audience. Marketing Strategy 12. Continuous innovation. Marketing Strategy 12. Continuous innovation. Innovation is the lifeblood of successful brands, driving differentiation, relevance, and growth in a rapidly evolving marketplace. Continuous innovation involves a relentless commitment to creativity, experimentation, and improvement across all aspects of the business, from product development and marketing to customer experience and operations. By staying ahead of the curve and anticipating emerging trends and technologies, brands can maintain a competitive edge and seize new growth opportunities. This requires fostering a culture of innovation that encourages curiosity, risk-taking, and collaboration among employees at all levels of the organization. Moreover, brands must prioritize listening to their customers, gathering feedback, and iterating on their products and services to meet evolving needs and preferences. Additionally, embracing emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, augmented reality, and blockchain can open up new possibilities for innovation and differentiation. Time for the soft question. Which of these marketing strategies do you currently use in your business to understand your customers better and offer them the best products and services? Please share your experiences in the comment section below. This will help viewers learn from each other and grow together. Subscribe with us and learn. If you find the information in this video valuable, please subscribe and share it with family and friends. Your support will help us create many more high-quality videos like this. Please hit the like button and the notification bell to be notified. Click on these 2 videos shown here to explore even more. The contents of this video are for educational and informational purposes only. Thank you for watching.